Copy. Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Everybody advance. Building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Eh? There we go. That looks right. Load. Name.
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because, I mean, okay. Well, Servo, we're gonna go over here because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret.
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think. Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
I think I hit something. Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah. Okay, so... Hey. Shady. You get to play with the new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
And... I could... I've made a little bit of money. Nothing, like, significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the Fire Moth. That'll give me 3 fire moth pieces. I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going. Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them. I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away. Better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by.
Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault gauss. I don't need to fire that.
Confirmed. Moving to position. On my way. Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
Come.
The play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way.
Oh, lame.
Hey, stand still when I'm attacking you.
Yes, Commander.
Jedi. Phantom.
Head south.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips.
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah. There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy. In order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck. Ready for orders.
Oh, yeah, she did. Um. Hmm.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed. I'm rolling.
Hmm. If I go like that. Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head. You know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the ear. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
That
You
means the
betcha.
shooting is going to start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh. Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend. Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. Think that's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. let's continue on our way.
Coordinates received.
Oh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. And I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Ruh. Well,
How sweet it is to be a god.
isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Aza, I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots. Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
That. Rent as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down.
Targets down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
Well. You. Aim for the head.
Roger.
My good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh. Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball. Hopefully there's, like, at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go Fan. What? You're gonna target protect for everybody else in turn. Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah. I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Fleet of Foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do.
I hope we can salvage that.
Well... That took care of that, I guess.
A omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment. What? We're also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much. I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. Ew. You're gonna aim for center of mass. Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
With the long-distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh. Gonna go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. I come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. Where the Berk? Always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
So, fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledged, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed.
I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal.
I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic.
Copy that.
Roger.
I'm there.
Confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently, we will let loose on this cougar.
Target.
Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh, yes. Get more treats. We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission?
Yes, Commander.
Freedom?
Aye.
Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Okay. Well. Good sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that.
Coordinates received.
Okay. Yeah. Don't know why there's
Standing by.
Cardon in the slow ass Atlas. Move up that way. But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
And if I turn off a medium pulse. Medium, yeah, well, hold on. There we go. You should say thank you to Shirky. Two, 6, 56. Damn. You know what? I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces. I at least did a little bit. Ooh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemouth's.
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you? LRMs, plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh, yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're going to leave you where you're at.
Rolling.
I just... Something tells me they're having a very bad day.
Firing. Inflicted some nasty on that some bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs. Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go right there. We're gonna go over here. Aim.
Acknowledged.
Pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
I mean, you kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun. Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did damage to my armor. That's not cool.
Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Hit Fox is going to be target A. I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, you need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor? Well?
Good to go.
That is one less enemy to deal with. go with this. We'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. Look. Yay! What? Who doesn't... Oh, Blood Asp. Thank you for dropping that shout-out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.
Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible, too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
Go for it. Turn off an LRM-20.
10-4.
Sharky, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well, made short work of that battle mech.